Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold is so good, here's why. The future is here, and it folds. Meet the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, a phone that's redefining what it means to be a smartphone. So, why is the Pixel 9 Pro Fold so good? Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about design. With a seamless folding mechanism and a 7.9-inch AMOLED display, this is not just a phone, it's an experience. Whether you're browsing, gaming, or streaming, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold delivers crisp, vibrant colors that are just mesmerizing. Need portability? Fold it back to a compact 6.4-inch screen, and it fits perfectly in your pocket. It's as versatile as you are. Under the hood, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold packs the new Tensor G4 chip, Google's most advanced processor yet. With lightning-fast performance, multitasking is smoother than ever. Switching between apps? No problem. Gaming? A breeze. This phone can handle it all. Plus, with up to 12 GB of RAM, it's built to keep up with you no matter what you throw at it. And of course, it wouldn't be a Pixel without the legendary camera. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold boasts a triple lens setup with a 50MP main sensor, ultra-wide lens, and telephoto lens. Capture incredible photos in any lighting condition, and thanks to Google's powerful AI, your photos come out looking professional every time. From stunning landscapes to portrait shots, the camera on the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is simply phenomenal. All that power and beauty needs a long-lasting battery, right? With a 5000 mAh battery and super-fast wireless charging, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold keeps you connected throughout the day. No more battery anxiety. Running on Android 14, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is packed with the latest features. From voice-assisted commands to live captions and on-device photo editing, this phone adapts to your life. Plus, with Google's seamless integration of its services, you'll get the ultimate Android experience. Whether you're a multitasker, gamer, photographer, or just someone who loves cutting-edge tech, the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold is the phone that's so good, it's almost unbelievable. *** Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold ***. The future is in your hands. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching.